How to install your Xiros Mikro Freeze Dryer. Be sure to remove all the packing material inside the chamber. Take out the tray set if needed. Connect the vacuum hose to the Xiros Mikro. Place the vacuum pump on a stable surface close to the freeze dryer so the hose can be connected. Now you can connect the hose to the vacuum pump. The inlet of the vacuum pump needs to be open. Attach the power cable to the Xiros Mikro. And connect the power from the Xiros to the vacuum pump. In this video, we use the Animo Scroll Dry Vacuum Pump of Holland Green Science. This has a release valve on top. Make sure this is in the off position. Connect the drain hose to the drain tab left side of the Xiros Mikro. When running a defrost run, be sure that the drain hose is in a water drainage, or use a sufficient container. Now you're ready to start using the Xiros Mikro Freeze Dryer.